Whether you're dealing with bad overhead lighting or you just want to add a little extra vibe to your space, a floor lamp can totally even things out and make your home feel cozier than ever. But with so many options to choose from, it can be tough to know where to start. That's why we've put together a list of our top 10 picks for the best floor lamps out there on the market. We've taken into account a range of factors, from how stylish the lamp looks, to how well it works, and even how durable it is. So you can be sure you're getting a lamp that's perfect for your needs. So make sure to watch the video till the very end to check out our list of the top picks, and get ready to add the perfect finishing touches to your home decor. Number 10. The IKEA Ranarp Floor/Reading Lamp. This lamp has a classic design that will never go out of style, but it also comes with some awesome features like low energy consumption and flexible head movement. You'll have a choice between two neutral colors, white and black, which means it'll fit right in with any decor. And if you need to direct light in a specific direction, the arm and shade can be moved independently of one another. And if you use an opal light bulb with a regular lampshade, you'll be able to spread the light evenly across the entire room. Keep in mind that this lamp might not be bright enough for reading, but it's perfect for setting up shop in your private study, library, or maybe even a workshop. And the best part, you can get this classy lamp for just $70. Number 9. Mercury Row Brescia Task Floor Lamp. This lamp is designed to position light exactly where you need it thanks to its flexible arm and head. The lamp's sleek appearance is a result of its perfect blend of contemporary and traditional design components. It's made out of sturdy yet lightweight steel, which makes it ideal for use in a variety of locations. And if you want to make sure it fits right in with your current furnishings, you can choose between a brushed nickel finish and a brass finish. Just keep in mind that if you want to use the foot switch, you'll want to make sure it's placed where it's easy to reach. But at a price point of just $126 for a 100-watt lamp, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new floor lamp. Number 8. The IKEA Pilskott LED Floor Lamp. This floor lamp represents cutting-edge design in residential lighting and is perfect for adding both a decorative touch and a functional source of light to any room in your home, whether it's your living room, your office, your bedroom, dining area, or even the family room. This is basically a smart lamp, which means you can adjust the brightness and color temperature remotely to suit your needs. And you'll appreciate the efficiency and longevity of this LED light. The best part? This lamp is a low-cost option at just $130, so you can get everyone in the room talking without breaking the bank. Overall, it's a unique and attractive item that can be used in a wide variety of decor schemes. Plus, setting up and using the light are both simple processes. Number 7. LePower Wood Tripod Floor Lamp. If you've got curious little ones or energetic furry friends, you know the importance of a stable floor lamp. The LePower Wood Tripod Floor Light offers just that, with the added bonus of a cozy glow even when turned off, thanks to its natural rubber wood structure. The textured linen hue of this lamp is both practical and long-lasting, and it complements a wide variety of decor styles, making it versatile and an affordable option that won't break the bank. This lamp is actually based on a classic mid-century modern design, but it's understated enough to work in a more contemporary, industrial, or even a rustic setting. Just keep in mind that you'll sacrifice some flexibility in terms of placement due to the foot switch. And while there is some assembly required, it's definitely worth the effort if you want to save money without sacrificing style. And the best part is, you can snag this lamp for just under $90. Number 6. Article Beacon Floor Lamp. If you're looking for a modern yet minimalist floor lamp that won't break the bank, well, look no further than the Article Beacon Floor Lamp. This lamp's sleek design and exposed bulb are reminiscent of Scandinavian style, making it perfect for those who appreciate understated elegance. Plus, with two color options, brushed brass or gunmetal gray, you're sure to find one that fits your decor. The assembly process is quick and very easy, taking only 5 minutes to complete. And at a price point of just $99, it's an excellent choice for those on a tighter budget. Just keep in mind that since the bulb is exposed, you may want to opt for a warmer light to avoid harsh shadows in your space. But with a wide variety of LED bulb options available, you can personalize this fixture to your heart's content. Number 5. Urban Outfitters XL Globe Floor Lamp. If you're looking for a statement piece to add to your home decor, well, then the XL Globe floor lamp from Urban Outfitters might just be what you're looking for. This lamp is a unique twist on a classic floor light and is sure to draw attention from anyone who enters the room. One of the best things about this lamp is the warm and inviting glow that it casts. It's perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere and encouraging relaxation. However, it is worth noting that the lamp may be a bit short for taller individuals. Despite its impressive size, the XL Globe floor lamp is actually quite lightweight and it's very easy to set up. It's made of acrylic, which means it's simple to maintain and will keep looking like new for years to come. While it may not be the most practical lamp in terms of utility, its unique aesthetic and playful vibe more than make up for it. You can purchase it for $199 from Urban Outfitters. Number 4. Theodora Swing Arm Floor Lamp. This lamp combines contemporary conveniences with an antique appearance and feel. Its rustic elegance complements any decor, and its flexible arm makes it ideal for the bedroom, home office, or any space with lighting that has to be redirected quickly and effortlessly. With its burlap shade and antique bronze finish, this lamp is a beautiful blend of rustic and elegant, and it will match any decor. You can also choose the antique pewter finish or the traditional white shade if those suit your taste better. The lamp is available in different sizes, so you can choose the one that suits your needs best. The 3-position rotary switch allows you to adjust the brightness to your liking. Right now, it's priced at $173. Number 3. Adesso Bowery Arc Floor Lamp. The Adesso Bowery Arc lamp is a fantastic lighting option for spaces with limited floor or wall space. It's a versatile lamp that can be customized to suit your preferences and make a strong statement in any setting. You can choose from a classic single-arm style or a more contemporary and expansive 3-arm design, both of which are available in 2 beautiful finishes, satin steel or antique bronze. The marble base is not only decorative, but it also helps stabilize the lamp and prevent it from tipping over. You won't have to hide it beneath your furniture like other lamps. This lamp is both functional and stylish, making it perfect for any decor. The current price for this lamp is $250, which is great value for its quality and design. Number 2. Catalina Modern Adjustable Metal Floor Lamp. If you're looking for a sleek and practical floor lamp that won't break the bank, then look no further than the Catalina Modern Adjustable Metal Floor Lamp. This lamp's minimalist design makes it easy to integrate into any room, and its bright light is perfect for reading or working. Its flexible arm allows you to adjust the direction of the light, so you can get the illumination where you need right away. The lamp has a height adjustable arm, so it's not just a stylish addition to your living room, but also a practical choice for your home office. And the best part, it won't cost you a fortune. The black and brass finish gives it an antique look, but at just $52, it's an affordable option for anyone on a tighter budget. And number 1. Brightech Carter LED Floor Lamp. When compared to similar floor lamps, the Brightech Carter LED floor lamp stands out as the clear winner due to its affordable price, high quality design, and sleek, subtle style. This lamp's modern industrial design, combined with mid-century retro elements, will complement any room's decor. With a solid metal base and a walnut finish, it fits nicely into tight spaces, while its large shade provides ample lighting. At 65 inches high, this lamp is perfect for illuminating even the most challenging corners. Plus, its LED bulb is ultra long lasting, ensuring maximum efficiency. While not the cheapest option on the market, the $120 price tag is still very reasonable, especially considering the quality of the lamp. And if you're into smart home devices, then you'll be very happy to know that this lamp is compatible with them too. And that is all for today's video, guys. Which floor lamp did you like the most? Or do you guys have any other floor lamp that we might have missed on our list? Tell us your views in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found some useful information here about picking up your next lamp for your home. If you did find this info useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.